What up, YouTube? This is GeoStealth R1, and well, what are we doing right now? So, I wanted to hook up a few components on the servo. So let's start off with the servo mount. Blue anodized blue from Treal. Part number is X003LAZ. S is in Sam 95. So I thought this would be pretty cool to install. And then also we have the servo horn. I'm surprised they give you two. I wonder if there's a reason for that. The servo horn 25 tooth is X003QX7KMP. So it should be fairly simple. We're going to install it, and let's work on it from this point on. All right, so I'm going to unscrew those two screws that are holding the servo together. Then also I'm going to unscrew where the steering linkage is at, and then I'm going to unscrew one of the shocks at the bottom for me to get my screwdriver in there, because I have to take that screw out from there, and then let's take it from there. Alrighty, so this is the way it came out. I think it looks really, really nice. I'm going to zoom in on that. Yeah, just don't forget, as you can see, there's a Loctite right there. Don't forget the Loctite. You do need that. So now let's move on and put the servo mount in. Alrighty, so as I open this up and I start looking at the screws that are in there, I see that there are washers, and I can understand what the washers are for the mount. What I didn't understand what this was for until I looked at the back of where it would mount. And primarily it would mount right by the diff housing right there. So it does connect all in one piece, which I've never seen that before, but I guess I'm gonna install it. Should be one screw, two screws for the diff mount, and then just to mount the servo on there with two more screws. I have to position how the washers are gonna be, and then yeah, let's go install this and see what it looks like without the servo installed. Yeah, I think it came out real good. All right, so let's install this servo and see what the final product looks with everything installed. Alrighty, so here we go. I'll give you just an in-depth look on that. Came out pretty nice, pretty nice. Let's see if I can zoom in on you. There we go. So yeah, it does give it a splash. It's coming along really nicely. We're gonna be doing more update videos, but if you like this video content, definitely give me a thumbs up, rate, comment, subscribe, and turn my thumbs up on YouTube. Later.